What are you doing? Are you kissing yourself? Yeah? What are you doing? Can you give yourself a kiss? Good job. Good job, Scarlett. Scarlett, look at Mommy. Hey, look at Mama. Up here. No. That's why Mommy's holding on to it. Scarlett, look at Mama. You just want to kiss yourself. Is that what you want to do all day? Huh? Say hi, Dada. Say hi, Scarlett. Say hi. Up here. Can you wave? Scarlett. Scarlett. She just wants herself. Scarlett. Oh, you sneezed on my foot. Whoa. Hey. What are you doing? Alright, I gotta go. But I love you. See you soon. Well, yeah, you know what I mean.